any kind of disease come in our body because of less of the prana vayu. Just is nice.
Oh, it's a bit hard.
It's fine?
Huh.
Just wait 1 minute. What's the therapeutic yoga? But I am saying, if you don't feel better within 5 days, don't come my place.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
First of all, thank you so much for having us here, and we are so honored to interview such a humble and also this spiritual person, therapeutic yoga person. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So exactly for our viewers, please tell us about what is therapeutic yoga. We all know yoga, bits and pieces, but what is therapeutic yoga?
Yeah, we can say yoga is a boom of the yoga. We can say everywhere in yoga, okay? But yoga means who are fit people, they can do anything, physically or whatever. And concept of yoga, so why disease will come if prana vayu will less. And suppose I have got knee problems.
Okay.
Suppose, and doctor are saying, oh, need to knee replacement.
Knee replacement, yeah.
But why is the knee replacement? Suppose, give an example, when our bone will fracture, who will join it?
Orthopedic surgeon.
No. Orthopedic surgeon will set the bone,
Okay.
healing itself.
Okay, itself it heals, yeah.
Understand?
Huh.
They set, he will
He will
broken the
help to
bone.
set it.
Yeah, they set the. If he will not set, what will happen? Bone it will be joined again, but in a not good alignment.
Exactly.
But who is joining the heel is a natural procedure.
Okay.
That's why they are tighten the. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? They tighten the.
Patti.
Yeah, patti.
Patti जैसा, हाँ.
Oh, करते हैं 40 days, 30 days and 40 days. So because bone will not move, but bone heal itself.
Yeah.
Same thing, yoga heal itself. So therapeutic yoga is working especially who can't able to do yoga. Suppose I give example, my father, they have got problems. So we are using some props are there, some chair, some bolster, some wall and rope. We are doing this supporting system.
Okay.
Because of supporting system, we are doing a posture with support, but take a benefit of that.
Okay.
And yoga heal itself because yoga say, medical yoga say, any kind of disease come in our body because of less of the prana vayu, prana sakti, prana urja. And medical terms also say, lack of the oxygenation probably increase. So medical through yoga, medical yoga, we increase the circulation. Suppose knee is not good, I was saying, so some are there and cartilage also finish.
Okay.
In growing age, what will happen? New cells will be dead. In a growing age, cells will be, cells will improve too much and dead is less.
Yes.
जो कोशिकाएं ज़्यादा जन्म लेती हैं, but damage less.
Yes.
So what will do medical yoga? When we do the practice, circulation will too much. That kind of asanas will help very nicely. It improves the circulation and increase the flexibility and strengthen that particular asanas. Suppose I want to say, if we are suffering problems and if you go with the doctor, there's prescription, okay, you will take this medicine morning, afternoon and evening, 3 times.
Yes.
This is a medicine. Yoga as a medicine.
Okay.
Yoga as a medicine we are working. So we are working like this, morning and evening. So that's kind of every disease more than 15 to 18 asanas for curing the problems.
Okay.
So medical yoga, especially for understanding the science of the healing. After understanding, we design some especially posture with props.
Okay.
So everybody can do.
Okay.
So like my father, 84 years old, he was doing, people can't move like paralysis, knee replacement, backache, cervical spondylitis because of alignment problems, So we are focusing the body alignment and healing procedure through medical yoga.
For people who can't do by themselves, so your doctors will help them to do, you said, right?
With props.
With props.
Yeah. With props, suppose I can't expand the chest. So what I do, we have got some props, they tighten the belt. Then what will happen are there? It just opens, oxygen will come naturally
Okay.
The oxygenation will increase. In between the lungs, heart also, the more circulation are there.
More pumping.
For examples.
More. Okay.
Okay. Suppose in therapeutic yoga, or we are saying interlock your fingers, keep your chest broad. You can see one side. Do,
I don't think so.
you
I can.
You can. I know.
Backside.
Backside and keep backside and keep
Okay.
on that chair. Okay.
Okay.
Very nice.
Oh my god.
Don't keep your hands. This is the way. Okay. Not back. Not like this. Keep inside your thumb. This. Keep backside. Okay. I'll show you. Then up. Okay.
Okay.
Just for example. This is nice.
Oh, it's a bit hard.
It's fine.
Huh.
Just wait 1 minute. What's the therapeutic yoga? And concentrate your trapezius muscles,
Which muscles?
trapezius muscles,
Trapezius muscles.
shoulder blade,
Shoulder blade, yeah.
chest,
Okay.
and your breath. Take a 2 and 3 deep breathing. Again out. Again inhalation. Exhalation nicely.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's no problem. Just feel the differences now.
Yeah, I can
Feeling
feel
light or
that
not?
tension.
Now no tension.
No.
Now free.
Free.
I want
Before.
to say very simple things we are giving a support and they can do without anything. So that's a therapeutic yoga. So we can use pillow, we can use bolster, we can use chair. I'm sitting in a chair. So you know mostly people how they are sitting, wrong posture. I'm sitting like this one, suppose.
Yeah.
What will happen in this condition?
Blessed.
More weight in a right buttocks, less weight in a left buttocks.
Yes.
What will happen? Body alignment is not good.
Okay. Yeah, but it's comfortable, so we should not sit
This is
like
a
that.
comfortable, but it's not comfortable.
Okay.
You can feel the differences. So I want to say, basically we are looking the alignment.
Yes. Yes.
Suppose we are driving the car. There, how many wheels are there?
4.
And sometimes more weight is a two wheel and less weight in the two wheel. So what will happen?
Puncture.
No, chances of accident because of alignment.
Yeah.
We can't drive properly.
Yeah.
Same thing, our body alignment. So in medical yoga, we focus the body alignment, we focus the oxygenation, we focus like this one things. So every programs at least 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Then results will come. 100% come. Or I am saying, if you don't feel better within 5 days, don't come my place. I am saying like this one.
Oh, that's a very assurance.
100%.
Yeah.
But people are saying with me, oh, are you sure? I am sure, but need to give a time.
Yes.
People want to hurry, rush,
Trust
like a
and
reel. You know,
time.
nowadays reel is going on.
Huh.
Do fast, no fast. It will take time.
Okay. So therapeutic
Results
yoga
we have got 100% results, but it will take time.
time. It treats from roots of the body.
It's heal the root of the body.
That's why it takes time.
So be working like diabetes. With I'm sure within month diabetes will be feel a differences. Any kind of pain, we can feel a difference within one session.
Okay.
But it will take time for curing. So minimum 10 days I am saying. Who are coming from outside, I am saying just 5 days. Morning around 2 hours, evening about 2 hours. We are thinking like this one.
For a month.
No. They feel a difference within 5 days.
So for diabetes, if someone
1 month.
1 month.
You can feel the differences every day 2 hours.